In this video, we listed the top 5 3D printer under $400 on Aliexpress that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. FLSUN SR FDM 3D printer. The FLSUN Super Racer SR 3D printer is the latest Delta-based model developed independently by FLSUN, known for its impressive printing speed capabilities. With a default printing speed of 150 mm/s and the ability to reach 200 mm/s without compromising quality, it significantly reduces printing time compared to other 3D printers. The printer boasts a printing size of 260 mm x 330 mm and supports various 1.75 mm diameter filaments like PLA, ABS, and HIPS. Equipped with features like a 32-bit motherboard, double gear extruder, lattice glass printing hotbed, full color capacitive touchscreen, and automatic leveling system, the SR printer offers a user-friendly experience with efficient performance. The modular assembly allows for quick setup in just 10–15 minutes. Additionally, it includes a resume printing function to continue printing after unexpected power outages. The package includes essential accessories like a filament holder, toolkit, nozzle kit, South Dakota card reader, PLA test filament, and a user manual, making it a comprehensive solution for 3D printing enthusiasts. Number 2. Ender 3 S1 Creality 3D printer. The Creality Ender 3 S1 Plus 3D printer offers an enhanced build volume of 300,300,300 mm, allowing for the printing of larger models to meet diverse printing needs. Featuring the Sprite full metal dual gear direct extruder, this printer ensures good filament compatibility and smooth feeding. With synchronized dual Z-axes, including lead screws and dual motors, it delivers high-precision printing with stable movement. The machine boasts quick assembly with 96% pre-installed components and a 6-step assembly process, making it easy to handle and use. Key specifications include a maximum printing speed of 100 mm/s, printing precision of 100 mm, 2 mm, layer height ranging from 0.1 to 0.4 mm, and support for various filaments like PLA, ABS, TPU, and PETG. Equipped with features like a 4.3-inch color touchscreen, 32-bit silent motherboard, resume printing function, filament sensor, and compatibility with slicing software like Creality Slicer, Cura, Repetier Host, and Simplify 3D, this 3D printer offers a user-friendly experience with versatile printing capabilities. Number 3. ANYCUBIC Kobra 2 Neo. The ANYCUBIC Kobra 2 Neo 3D printer offers a significant speed boost with its 5x high-speed capability and improved details through LeviQ 2.0 technology. Featuring automatic leveling with LeviQ 2.0 Auto Leveling Smart Z Offset, it achieves printing speeds of 150 mm/s, typical, and up to 250 mm/s, maximum, with an acceleration of 2500 mm/s. The printing platform utilizes PL magnetic spring steel, and the heat bed temperature can reach 110 degrees Celsius. The new integrated extruder system melts filaments quickly with a 60W hot end and ensures rapid cooling and molding with a 7,000 revolutions per minute cooling fan, compatible with various filament types like PLA, TPU, and PETG. Utilizing linear propulsion and input shaping functions from Marlin firmware, it enhances print quality and stability while creating smoother and clearer model details. The LeviQ 2.0 auto leveling system intelligently compensates for Z-axis offset, catering to different user needs efficiently. The 2.4-inch LCD knob screen offers a renewed UI design for a more intuitive and user-friendly interface. With a gantry frame structure design and all-in-one structure consisting of 5 modules, the printer ensures easy assembly and minimal maintenance for a seamless printing experience. Number 4. SV01 Pro 3D printer. The SV01 Pro Metal Direct Drive Extruder 3D printer offers a larger build volume of 11x 9.5 x 11.8 inches, equipped with a built-in 32-bit TMC 2208 silent motherboard for ultra-silent operation and stability. Featuring intelligent auto bed leveling with the CR touch sensor, the printer ensures precise printing on various platforms like PEI, sticker, glass, and metal beds. The 4.3-inch handheld touchscreen provides a user-friendly interface with features like day-night mode, while the flexible magnetic plate allows for easy model removal. With a self-designed metal direct drive extruder, the printer ensures smooth and fast 3D printing with compatibility for materials like PLA, ABS, PETG, and TPU. The stable dual Z-axis design enhances accuracy and precision, while the printer supports both 3D printing and laser engraving functionalities. With a print size of 280mm or 240mm 300mm, nozzle temperature 260 degrees Celsius, and bed temperature of 110 degrees Celsius, the SV01 Pro is a versatile and efficient 3D printer suitable for various applications. Number 5. KINGROON KLP1 FDM 3D Printer. The KINGROON KLP1 is a cutting-edge FDM 3D printer boasting impressive features for fast and high-quality printing. With a maximum printing speed of 500 mm/s and 2000 mm/s2 acceleration, it offers rapid printing capabilities while maintaining print quality, supported by the built-in ADXL 345 module. The printer features a dual-gear direct extruder with a 5:1 gear ratio and a powerful 5015 turbofan with 8,000 revolutions per minute for efficient cooling. The 36-point auto-leveling system and Core XY structure with linear rail guides ensure accuracy and durability during fast movements. Equipped with a PEI spring steel build plate for wear resistance and easy model removal, the KLP1 also offers a 3.5-inch touch control screen with multi-language support. Additional functions like vibration compensation and flow calibration enhance model quality and surface smoothness during printing. With a print size of 2102 10,210 mm, precision ranging from 0.05 mm to 0.3 mm, and support for various filaments, the KINGROON KLP1 is a versatile and advanced 3D printer suitable for various applications.